let's look at some of the tech news this week. And I want to start with a really weird one. Pablo Escobar's brother, I guess the drug kingpin, his brother has claiming he has made a folding smartphone and it's unbreakable.
Roberto Escobar.
I don't
Same
know
guy
how,
that made the flamethrower, right?
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You hear about that?
No. I don't know how this guy's still alive, but it's called the Escobar Fold 1. Do you have some details, John?
Sadly, I do.
Okay. It's a folding screen, right?
It's a folding screen. It does not fold flat. It looks like a folded pile of newspapers
Yes.
because it's got a giant hinge. You can open it up flat, but when it's folded, it looks like a Costanza wallet almost.
Yeah, exactly. Costanza wallet. That's awesome.
The really interesting thing, though, is the price point. They're suggesting this is going to be $349 US when it's available now, apparently, on their website, which has no details about specs, about what kind of device it is, other than the ridiculous claims that Mr. Escobar has made, and quite a interesting video that they've produced to show it off with a bunch of scantily clad women running around in high heels playing with this folding device.
Do they actually show it?
They're holding it,
Okay.
but it looks like a prototype. You don't actually see the screen or anything like that. They don't actually fold it in the little video clip. But
How is it unbreakable then? Like, it's a folding screen.
again, ridiculous claim department. He's saying he didn't have to use glass like Samsung did, so he's using a special form of plastic. But we know the Samsung Fold uses plastic screens.
Yeah, and they had issues.
Right.
They had to redesign the whole damn thing.
But he's also talking about a class action lawsuit that he's launching against Apple because, quote, they are cheating the people and selling worthless phones to consumers, overpriced. My lawyers have been ready for a long time, but before I sue them and give money back to the people, which they deserve, I want to show them that my product is much better.
How's he going to sell this folding phone for $349? Believe me, if Samsung could bring their phone price down, it's like $2,600 Canadian.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm telling you, they would have brought it down. They would have brought the price down.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think I'm going to order one.
It's like phonus all over again.
Yeah. But
First 500 are free.
So the only thing that it is not protected against is fire.
From the flamethrower?
I don't know. Okay, John, you sent me a really weird picture or video today of the Tesla Cybertruck actually driving on the street in front of our office.
Yes. Driving poorly because I was driving it.
Okay. What is this?
So somebody came up with an app. It's called AR Cybertruck. It's available on the App Store. It's made in Unity, which is sort of the thing that's being used for all kinds of video games. It does all the live sets for The Mandalorian, and now it can do a Cybertruck on your phone. So you basically point your phone in the direction of where you want to go. You get some on-screen controls, and then you can actually drive a Cybertruck that's supposed to be to scale around the streets. People are using this app to actually see if the Cybertruck will fit in their garage.
And will it?
Apparently, people are having problems because it's quite big.